Hi, I'm Tamiz Kanji. On April 26th and 27th, CPPD will be holding its 36th annual Pharmacy Update Conference. On Saturday the 26th, come and join our virtual conference, which will again feature 5 accredited one-hour learning sessions. This year's sessions are Lab Test Stewardship and Decision Making, Practical Applications for Pharmacists in Ordering and Interpreting Lab Tests, Navigating the Canadian Contraceptive Landscape, GLP-1 Medications in Diabetes, Obesity, and Beyond, and Hormone Replacement Therapy in Menopause. A new 3-hour in-person accredited workshop will be held on Sunday the 27th. This workshop will focus on practical examples related to prescribing for minor ailments and contraception. Choose to attend either the virtual sessions or the in-person workshop, or plan to do both. Continuing Pharmacy Professional Development. Come join CPPD for your accredited learning needs at the University of British Columbia.